What's up, y'all? So my daughter's been bugging me to do Fingerwaves, and I don't even know if I can remember how to do them. I know you're supposed to do the fine side. She's busy. She's been dying for me to do Fingerwaves in my hair. It's hard to see with this. Because I'm struggling with if I want to, like, grow this relaxer out. Which it seems to be growing, like, very fast without the relaxer. She's like, see, that's what I was trying to tell you. This is so much easier to do with someone else. That's for sure. Maybe I use the big side. I thought you're supposed to use the fine side. I don't even remember. We used to use 2 combs too. This is so hard to do because you're looking at the mirror and then you're trying to go the opposite way the mirror's going. Dying to get me to do these Fingerwaves. It's hard to do. Kinda cute. Need more practice. I remember in beauty school over 20 something years ago, them girls would dig into your daggone skin while they were doing it. They had to sit under that dryer. I'm like, nope. I can't stand sitting under the dryer. And I was 18 years old, and everybody thought like I was way older than I was back then, and I hated that. See if I can feel my way through this. I used to have to do these on mannequin heads. back in the day. My hair was itching so bad, and I just washed it the other day, and I ended up having to wash my hair after 10 at night, which sucks. Anyway, just like with anything, practice, you gotta practice. And the comb doesn't work for you, so basically, well, anyway, that's my little effect. Can y'all see the waves? I look like Betty Boop. Betty Boop girl. Betty Boop girl. Betty Boop girl. This side kind of came out better than the other side. This is hard to do on yourself. Yeah, I never tried it on myself before. Or trying on mannequins and stuff. Chill. And then I don't like all that gel in my hair anymore either. Oh well. This is a good way to let your hair grow out though, without you trying to cut it all off. Yeah, more practice. Curious to see what the back looks like. I can't see. It's hard to see, y'all. So, let me see what she's doing. I was trying to get you to see if I could do these Fingerwaves.
Oh, that's what you were saying?
Yeah. I can't see.
Ooh,
I can't see the back.
that's cute.
I can't see the back. I was trying to let the people see the back.
You want me to do that?
Yes. That's why I came in the first time. This is no.
What are you gonna mold it?
I'm about to wrap it like I usually do.
That's what I meant.
Can you see it?
Mm,
What it look like?
it's cute.
That's hard.
You want one of my oh, you got a scarf.
Girl, I'm about to wrap it like I
know if you
usually
wanted
do.
my,
So Sorry, y'all. I can take one. Where are they? Sorry, y'all. It's so dark. She got all this stuff in her bathroom. It's me and one, right? Yeah, I'm about to wrap. I told you, I'm about to wrap this thing. I just made one, right? Or two? That's why I'm more on the barber side than the beauty side.
We don't have time.
I'm not wearing it like that.
You should.
No. Thank you. Look, you know how when people mess up your work?
Why?
Hey, yeah, you got to see that. That's your birthday present.
Thank you.
This girl will be 23 Thursday. I can't believe it. All right, y'all. I was just messing around. That's me. This is me. Yep, that is me, y'all. See how these things work. I never used black ones before. Oop. Child. See, when you barber, you use them for this area. Child. That look like Tupac. How do you want it? How do you feel? Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And do you remember Fingerwaves? Blast from the past? See you next time. Good night.